Long before refrigerators, people had a big problem. How do you keep food fresh? Ancient civilizations stored ice in underground pits. Some packed snow in insulated houses. Others used salt to preserve meat. But ice melted fast, and food spoiled quickly. The idea of artificial cooling began in the 1700s. Scientists like William Cullen experimented with creating ice using chemical reactions. But it was not practical for everyday life. The real breakthrough came in 1834. A man named Jacob Perkins, an American inventor, built the first working vapor compression refrigerator. His design used ether, a compressor, and coils to absorb heat and make things cold. It was the ancestor of the fridge we know today. But it did not become common right away. In the mid-1800s, James Harrison in Australia improved the design and made commercial ice machines. By the late 1800s, mechanical refrigeration was being used in breweries, ships, and warehouses. Still, most families relied on the icebox, a wooden cabinet cooled by blocks of ice delivered by an iceman. It was only in the early 1900s that refrigerators finally entered homes. Safer coolants replaced dangerous chemicals like ammonia and sulfur dioxide. By the 1920s and 30s, companies like Frigidaire and General Electric made the refrigerator a household appliance. The refrigerator changed everything. Food could last longer. Milk could be kept fresh. Families could eat safer meals. Even global trade in frozen meat and fish became possible. From underground ice pits to the humming fridge in your kitchen, the journey of refrigeration shows how one invention can transform daily life. So here is a question. If refrigerators had never been invented, how do you think people today would keep their food from spoiling?